How to fix Rust voice chat not working. 1. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. 2. Ensure your microphone is in good condition. 3. Install any pending update on your Windows. 4. Disable your antivirus software. 5. Other tips. Allow microphone access. Update the audio driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Change the default microphone. Tweak in-game voice chat settings. To do this, set default to voice input device at friend list voice. Repair Rust in Steam.